So after the iOS 18.2 update, many users reported facing lag with their keyboard on their iPhone. In fact, even I faced this issue with the keyboard. Like, there was a lag when I tried to use emoji on my keyboard. Now this issue is very easy to fix. And in this video, I will guide you with how you can fix keyboard lag after iOS 18.2 update. Method 1. Remove and re-add keyboard. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on General, scroll down, tap on Keyboard, and then tap on Keyboards again. After this, remove all the keyboards you see here. For this, swipe on the keyboard like this, and then tap on Delete. And this will remove the keyboard. You cannot directly delete the main keyboard. So for this, you will have to add a new keyboard first. So tap on Add New Keyboard, and then select a random keyboard, for example this one. Now delete the main keyboard. Wait for a few seconds. Now re-add your keyboard. For this, tap on Add New Keyboard. Now search for the keyboard, for example English India. Now delete the random keyboard you added earlier. After this, tap on Add New Keyboard. Now search for emoji keyboard here. Tap on it. And now this should fix the issue. Method 2. Delete keyboard dictionary. So for this, open the Settings app. Tap on General, scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter the passcode. Tap on Reset Dictionary. And now this will fix the keyboard lag issue. Step 3. Reboot your iPhone. If the previous two methods didn't fix the issue, then try rebooting your iPhone. For this, press and hold this power button and this volume up button. Now drag the slider. This will power off your iPhone. Now press and hold this power button to turn on your iPhone. So this is how you can fix keyboard lag on iPhone after iOS 18.2 update. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.